World's largest organization, Juspay, is scheduled to hiring for Developer Challenge January 2024. Hello friends, welcome back to Smart Nazir Tech Study. Opens on January 5, 2024, 6 pm to close on January 14, 11:29 pm. So the duration of test is 2 hours. About the challenge overview. Juspay Technologies is looking for functional programmers to join their team in Bangalore. You are just 2 hours away. 2 hours means the duration of test to complete your first step in joining Juspay. So recruitment process will be registration on HackerEarth. So I will provide you HackerEarth registration, online assessment. I will provide you online assessment path, result announcement based on candidate scores and resumes. So 2 days remote hackathon. Challenge format, online challenge, 3 programming questions, no language restriction. 2 days hackathon. Selected candidates will be informed with the hackathon details. So the eligibility, the good question, the most critical question, years of experience, YOE, 1 to 5 years of industry experience. If you are might be Java developer, backend developer, front-end developer, system design, any background, you are eligible for this recruitment drive. So about Juspay. Juspay is a payments exchange connecting merchants, payment providers and banks with a deep focus on delivering seamless payments UX, user experience at scale. We are trusted partners for all major internet companies in India. After surpassing 200 million SDK installs, systems handling highest payments traffic in India, 2000 transactions per second, amazing. 2000 transactions per second, just like that includes Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Phone Pay transaction and other transaction including on that 2000 transactions per second. We are now making the next stride to power end-to-end payments for India. 99.99% availability, 50M transactions, 50 million transactions per day, one click experience, amazing. Their goal is amazing. So the job detail, experience as you know 1 to 5 years, role will be software developer. Compensation, the good question, 8 lakhs to 13 lakhs per annum, which is amazing. Job location is usually Bangalore. Juspay and FP, a journey of possibilities. The enhanced potential of functional programming has made inventions and innovations a norm at Juspay. Safe a first of its kind payment browser, Presto Payments DSL, Hyper Dynamic Payments Micro App Framework, DB Mesh, and eventually Constant Key Value Store, ART, Automatic Regression Testing Framework, and many more. All these has been possible because of our heavy investments in framework using functional programming techniques. FP enables us to build domain-specific languages, DSLs, that help us reliably and rapidly create payment use cases. Concise code is a reality. Enables PM, project managers, devs, developers, QA, quality assurance to collaborate and enhance the creative potential. So this job opportunity for 3 types of categories. Centers of excellence. Each of our centers of excellence balance the dual of framework development, the ideal and business enabled, the practical. SDK, which means software development kit, building UI UX experience that enable frictionless user payments and enables merchants to manage payment options effectively. Frictionless one-click payment with native payment page. Incorporating React markups in Presto proprietary UI framework. Backend, business logic to handle evolving payments requirements, UPI integration, authentication, flexibility. Biggest FP company with entire business logic in FP. FP means functional programming. Concise expression of complex payments logic. API integrations. Data science. So the data science also they are offering backend SDK intelligence from more than million transactions to enable automated and intelligent payment operations. Intelligent traffic routing, self-healing systems, intelligent payment assist, AI-powered payment operations. Aesthetic visualization of data. Infrastructure reliable and 99.99% available infrastructure which can power the payments for India. Multi-DC architecture, infrastructure DSL for unified management at scale, distributed computing in edge devices. Who are we looking for? This mind-blogging vision requires nothing less than a magical approach. We are looking for, basically they are looking for magicians who can leverage functional programming to cast out magic through their code. We are looking for innovators who can pioneer the next big technical inventions in payments. Responsible creator who are ready to take up big responsibilities and endure pain to conquer them. Development artist, do you see aesthetic in your code? FP seeker, functional programming seeker, are you curious about functional programming or have identified FP as your way? If you resonate with any of the above, you might just be the right person for the role. What do you get? It is your day zero and you will be working on production critical projects, developing proprietary frameworks. So after joining, if you are selected in their team, you are in day zero. You will be on production critical projects and you have to develop proprietary frameworks, hard problems that push you to edge of solutioning. You will unleash your 10x potential in Juspay functional programming ecosystem. Not believable yet? Let us share few real success stories at Juspay. Our DUI framework, which is a core part of our SDK, has 140 million plus users and 200 M plus SDK installs. Was developed by an intern. So their intern, one of the intern has developed a 140 DUI framework and which that SDK 140 M users are used and SDK installations are 200 M, so which is my BHIM, the UPI payments app used by 10 million plus users, was built by a developer with less than 6 months of experience. Amazing. The average age of creation, if there exists a metric like that, less than 24 years. Now FAQ, frequently asked questions. Can I participate in a sample challenge? Yes, we require that participate in our sample challenge. I will provide a sample challenge link also. This challenge enables you to understand how to participate in programming challenges on Hacker Earth. It compresses detailed information about the programming questions should be attempted and details about the Hacker Earth judge. Programming challenge. Where will be the challenge take place? The challenge is an online challenge. Will I receive a reminder notification before the challenge begins? You will receive a reminder email 3 hours before the challenge begins only if you have registered for the challenge. How do I participate in this challenge? To participate in this challenge, do the following. Register for the challenge. Visit the challenges page on start date or time. Click participate in challenge. Can we take up the challenges from mobile platforms? So you are not able to, we do not support mobile platforms for taking up the challenges. We only suggest our users to participate in the challenges from laptop or desktop. What types of questions will I have to solve in this challenge? The questions in this challenge are of the following types. Programming questions, MCQs, subjective problems. In programming questions, you have to write code in the online code editor that is provided with each problem and submit it. You can make multiple submissions. The platform automatically considers the best submission. In multiple choice, questions with multiple choice will be provided. You should select the correct answer from the list of choices. Subjective problems. Instructions for each problem differ. Enter the solution in the text area that is provided and submit it. Are the programming question restricted to specific language? The language that you can write code in will be mentioned in the challenges details if applicable. What will happen in case of there is an issue with my computer or internet connection? If there is an issue with your computer connection or your internet connection, will not lose your previously submitted answers. They will be saved on HackerEdge servers. So you do not no need to worry about that. You can log in again and continue coding from where you stopped. However, the timer will continue running, which is why it is advised that you ensure that your computer internet connection is working properly before you begin the challenge. My code works in my local ID, however it throws compilation errors when I run it on the platform interface. Why does this happen? Every problem has the following two buttons, compile and run. When you click compile and run, the tested against the which is tested against the sample input and output. This ensures that you are able to test your code against predefined sample test cases before you submit code. So second one is submit. When you click on submit, the code is checked extensively against internal test cases. So all these are there. I will provide you this link. You can check out this all. So this is all about Juspay developer hiring challenge. If you like this video, then share to your friends and family members. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.